Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to take bug report on itel s15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel s15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and okay, here you cannot see the developer option. And okay guys, to show the developer option or on, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or on the developer option, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Okay? You are now a developer. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go back. And now you can see the developer option on system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, you can see the take bug report. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up are show, and now you can select on this option. You can report the interactive report or full report. So okay guys, I decide to full report the take bug report. Okay, you'll have to do select the full report and tap the report button to report. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully take bug report on itel s15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.